Right, welcome to question B, help part 2. So I multiplied, the first thing I did was I converted my centimeters into millimeters by multiplying by 10, and then I multiplied my base by my height. That gave me the answer 173,700. All right, so that was step 1. I've multiplied my length by my height, and that is in millimeters as well. I need to remember that's millimeters. So I multiplied my base times my height, and I've got this answer here. Now, that's my first step complete. My second step for finding the area of a triangle is to divide by 2. So now I need to divide this number, this big number here, by 2. It's going to be a lot easier if I break up the number. So I'm first going to divide 700 by 2. Well, I know that half of 70 is 35. So half of 700 will be 350. All right. My next step will be to divide 173 by 2. Oh, well, this is a bit trickier. 3,000 divided by 2 would be 1,500. 70,000 divided by 2 will be, well, half of 6 is 3. So it'll be 30,000. And half of that extra 10 would be 5. So it's going to be 35,000. And then half of 100,000 would be 50,000. If you've got another strategy for dividing this big number, please use it. That's the strategy that I prefer to use for this one. All right, so now that I've divided up the different sections of my number, I need to add these all together. I'm just going to use the basic column method. I'm going to start with the largest number, 50,000. I'm going to add 35,000. I'm going to add 1,500, which was here, and I'm going to add 350. I'm going to add those all together. All right, adding all my zeros gives a 0. Adding all my zeros and a 5 gives a 5. 5 and 3 is 8. 5 and 1 is 6. And 3 and 5 is 8. So my area for B is 86,850 millimeters squared. Oh my goodness, what a large area this is. So that's my answer here. I'm going to scroll down the page and I'm going to type it down the bottom here for question B. My area is 86,850 millimeters squared. Really important again to write that it's millimeters squared. It tells the person what units of measurement that is. And it's millimeters squared because we've multiplied millimeters by millimeters.